None of this could be possible today without your help and your support. The first thing that you see when you pull up at Hollister School District is a middle school. And the middle school had a very dated entrance. It served its purpose. And we wanted to update the entrance that says, this is a place where we educate, care, and love children. A place that parents are happy to drop their children off for school. The other thing that we have done inside that space is convert an old maintenance shop into a new band and choir room to help support those growing programs. The other piece that was supported through the bond issue was a new STEAM lab to support science, technology, engineering, and math.
Thank you for providing us with this awesome STEAM lab.
Thank you.
In our elementary school, your vote allowed us to expand unusable space in each pod in our elementary and create educational space that meets the needs of 21st century education. In the high school, your vote allowed us to expand opportunities in our broadcasting lab for relevant education and to expand our business department from what worked 20 years ago to what will work today and long into the future.
Because you said yes, we're able to purchase quality equipment to make better videos. Thank you.
Thank you for our new business lab.
Entering and exiting our property has been an issue over the last few years. We took those issues and solved those by putting a sidewalk from BB Highway all the way to our elementary school. We put a left-hand and right-hand turn lane as you exit onto BB Highway to ease the flow of traffic. At our Early Childhood Center, we installed a new road to help alleviate traffic backup that helps parents get off the main thoroughfare where they can wait safely for their children. With all the new renovations, we were able to add a training facility onto our administrative offices. This is also a great community space for board meetings, foundation meetings, and a place where people can meet and come together at Hollister Schools without having to be in the buildings and around our children and interrupting education. Being able to split two groups and be able to open up this space with these walls so that we can have larger trainings district-wide.
Thank you for this state-of-the-art facility for us to be able to train our teachers.
Thank you.
Thank you for voting for the heart of Hollister.
Thank you.
Thank you for voting your heart, which is our children.